Chester. Oh, Chester.
Chester in the middle.
Chester. Chester. Go get it. Go get it. You want it? You want it? Go. Go get it. Go get it.
Yeah, he's figured out.
Chester, you're boring.
No, you have to get him marked up first. Hang on, let me get him
He's
marked up.
tired.
Oh,
Look
yeah,
at him.
he's
He's
all
tired.
grunting.
When is he not grunting?
Poor little guy. Give him a break.
Get it. You gotta get him marked up first. Chester.
Give it. Give it.
Oh, sorry. He's a little You're like Lenny from what's that? Of Mice and Men, Lenny.
Get him worn out.
He's almost there actually.
Okay,
now put
I
Chester
know,
in the middle.
he's
Chester in the
gonna be
middle.
exhausted.
Go get it.
Chester in the middle.
Chester. 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 Go. Go get it. Go get it. Get it. Where's it? Where's it? Where's it?
Yeah.
Where's it?
He's figured out you're not going to let him
Go
get
get
it.
it. Go get it.
Aw.
You did not send me that picture.
I did.
Get it.
It took a long time last
Chester.
time. It took a long time last time.
Chester.
You'll get it, don't worry.
You need to get hooked up on my wireless here.
Well, you got it.
See?
Oh, it does say that.
Come here, Chester. What are they doing to you? Come here. Come here. What did they do? Don't puke on me, please. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Are you a good boy? Huh? You want your turtle? I know. They're mean to you, aren't
So
they?
Tulane
So
tonight.
You don't want to be in the middle. Don't want the stupid turtle anymore either, huh? Have you had it with these guys?
You ready? You ready, Chester? Okay. Get it. Get it. Get it.
And that's Chester in the middle.
And pretty coloring, pretty markings.
You've been taping that whole time?
No.